Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna learn 10 ways to make people respect you. Coming up now. My name is TJ from Speak with TJ. On this channel, you can find a lot of professional training and motivational videos. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button right now. We all know human nature is hungry for respect. It doesn't matter if it's a kid or an adult, you disrespect them and they're gonna get mad. Let me tell you one thing, it is our very own mistake if we fail to make someone respect us. You know, respect is earned. You cannot just go to someone and say, hey, respect me. Number of times I've heard people complaining they are not respected the way they want, or people make fun out of them. Now, how to earn respect? Let's begin. You might have met someone in school, college, workplace, or anywhere who stinks. Let me tell you, hygiene is one of the most important parts of respect. It doesn't matter how good of a skill set you have, but if you won't care about your hygiene, then definitely you're gonna miss a lot of people respecting you and they're gonna avoid interacting with you. Now, let's jump to number 2. Have you ever met a guy who speaks more than an average person? God, I have, plenty of times. The more you speak, the less you'll be valued. It doesn't matter if what you're saying is useful or not, but if you speak more than an average person, then definitely you're gonna lose the respect. This takes us to number 3. There are people who think they are funny. Okay, let's suppose they are, but dude, give me a break. I'm not saying it's not good to make people laugh, it definitely is, but there's a limit to everything. So try to crack jokes at the right time, or people will stop respecting you. Now, number 4. Try to talk to people and share your views too. If you're at a party, a meeting, or preparing for a group presentation, then share your ideas with them. Just sitting quiet and not sharing your ideas would make them think that you're a dumb person. Number 5. Are you a type of person who doesn't fulfill promises? If you are, you must be aware that people stop respecting the ones who are not honest and don't keep up to their promises. If you promise to meet them tomorrow, then do it. If you promise them to call them back today, then do it. But do not make lame excuses. Number 6. Have you made a commitment to see them tomorrow at 8? Then be there at 8. If you're late at work every day, then try to be there on time. Try to leave early. No matter if it's a party, a business meeting, or a date, try to be there on time. Repeated lateness would end up losing some respect. Now, number 7. If you try to act smart and ask a lot of useless and pointless questions, then stop. It's really annoying to respond to useless and pointless questions, and people avoid interacting with the ones who try to act smart and ask useless questions. So stop. Now, number 8. It's very important, guys. If you're working 9 to 5 or getting a degree, then just be a gentleman. Don't waste your time, try to learn something new. You're not just there to get your payroll, chit-chat, or pass your time. If there is someone who needs your help, help them. Respect others' time. Trust me, when people see how committed you are to your words, they'll start respecting you more. Number 9. My life is shit, I don't like my current job, nothing is going according to my plan, I don't have that. If you're complaining to yourself or to your colleagues each and every day, then stop. No one is interested to listen how shit your life is. If you're complaining all the time, then you must start working yourself. Work on your flaws, write them down, and start improving yourself. What is it that you want? Then make a goal that by the end of the day, end of the month, or by the end of the year, I'll get this thing done, or I'll have this thing with me. Then trust me, slowly you'll stop complaining to yourself and to the people around you. let people take wrong advantage of you, saying yes to everything all the time. Now, I'm not saying that stop helping people, but too much help will make them think that you don't have a life, and they will stop respecting but stop using you for their own benefit. So, learn to say no. If you're busy, just let them know that you can't. A bonus advice: if you don't want to do it, just delay it for as long as you can, and they won't be reaching out to you back again. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. I believe you have learned something new from this video. Share which one is new to you, or what have you learned from this video. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. TJ out.